So I'll show you step by step on how to use your Gcash to load your home prepaid Wi-Fi. Watch this video. Okay, so this is how you're going to load your home prepaid Wi-Fi using your Gcash application. Okay, let's assume that you already have your Gcash application in your phone. But if you still don't have, you just download it in your Google Play Store. All right. So since I already have my Gcash application, you only have to open it. Okay. And then on your home screen, what you will see is you will be asked with your 4-digit PIN. All right. So in my screen, I just have to input my 4-digit PIN. And then you will see your balance, your available balance, and all the information that you needed. So since you're going to load your home prepaid Wi-Fi, what you will going to press is the buy load. Just press the buy load, then input your number. So the number of your home prepaid Wi-Fi modem. So just input. Let's assume that your home prepaid Wi-Fi is 0965-541-2243. All right, click done. All right, and then you just click next at the bottom. Then you move this one and you look for broadband. All right, there you can see all the promos available for you to load your home prepaid Wi-Fi. All right, so if you're going to load, shall we say, broadband home serve 599, make sure that you have enough balance on your Gcash, the amount 599 for you to load your Wi-Fi. Okay, and then you click just click next at the bottom. All right, so there you go. Just click pay 599 at the bottom part. When you click it, you will already be registered on your home prepaid Wi-Fi right away. So that's so easy. If you have questions, just leave a message below or leave a comment below. Thank you.